Our production journey begins with the SMT pick and place machine. Here, Precision Robotics carefully position tiny components onto each PCB board. Next, the selective soldering machine takes over, precisely soldering all through-hole components to guarantee strong and reliable connections. Every board is then rigorously tested. Automated jigs perform functional checks to ensure each PCB meets our quality standards before moving forward. Meanwhile, our in-house laser cutting machine transforms raw metal sheets into precisely cut chassis, tailored for each unit. These metal pieces are then shaped by our precision bending machine, forming the structural chassis that houses our technology. With all components prepared, our skilled team performs the manual assembly, securing and integrating every part with care and expertise. Once fully assembled, each unit undergoes a full load test, verifying its performance across the complete range of functions. Only after passing every test does each unit undergo a final quality inspection, ensuring the build meets our exacting standards. To protect the finish, units are vacuum foiled, keeping them free from dust, scratches, and surface damage. Finally, each unit is carefully packed in custom-made packaging, designed to deliver both safety and style, right to our customers' doors.